Welcome to My Kings Television Network, IK Connection Sports Show. I am your host, Dr. Yvonne Baxter Bentley. Today, I want to introduce to you my books, How Prince Became a King, Dr. Coach and Her Players, Why Worldwide International Church Without Walls, and The Silent Pain of truly a great dad, a great hero, a great brother, a great sisters, great brothers, great sisters. IK Connection Sports Show, sponsored by My King Television Network. How do you order my books? 754-422-1865. Again, you can call me at 754-422-1865. Or you can shoot your own shows with My King Television Network, none other than Dr. Marcia Abrams. To order my books, go to http://tinyurl.com/04G282B. Again, that's http://tinyurl.com/04G282P. You can order my books. You can call me at 754-422-1865. Yes, Dr. Coach is a player. Got a little older, but I'm a player.